Welcome to our first science home learning lesson for Year 6. Today's learning objective is to be able to give reasons for classifying animals based on their similarities and differences. So how many different species of living things are there on Earth? Scientists believe that there could be as many as 10 million different species on Earth. It would be very hard to study the lives and behaviours of all of these things without grouping them together somehow. Scientists sort and group living things according to their similarities and differences. This is called classification. Scientists who classify living things are called taxonomists. Taxonomists classify living things by comparing them. Let's look at an example of how to do this. Look at the snacks on this table. How could we group them? Taxonomists would start by splitting them into two large groups. Can you think of two groups to use to split up the snacks? There are several ways you could split these snacks into two groups. Pause the video and have a think. Make notes in your home learning book. Let's say you split them into healthy snacks and unhealthy snacks. Now each group can be split into two other groups. Look at the healthy snacks. How could you split them into two smaller groups? Again, there are several ways you could split these snacks into two groups. They could be grouped into fruit and vegetables. Now, the vegetable group can be split into two smaller groups. They could be split into root vegetables and floret vegetables, or even carrots and broccoli. This is how taxonomists classify living things. They group similar things together, then split them into groups again and again, so they become smaller and smaller. Each group allows scientists to observe and understand their similarities and differences more clearly. Imagine that a new zoo is going to open in your local area. You've been asked to sort and group the animals that will be living in the zoo so that similar species can be housed in enclosures near each other. You will act as a taxonomist. So it is up to you to decide how to classify the animals and give reasons for your classifications. Look at the animals on the zoo animal list on the Year 6 home learning page and use the zoo classification activity sheet to sort and group the animals.